If you are seeing this, please subscribe. Today we are chopping this wood out. You want to show them the wood, buddy? Down here. Point the camera down at the mess of wood down there. So all this is wet. So we're chopping it out. We're going to dry up whatever is salvageable. I've got to cut probably a little bit more down this way. It's a little punky. Cut this trim out. But I'm going to do that after I get all this wood out of here first and then garbage bag this all up. My son is here today helping me. He's the best. Thumbs up, right?